For our farm activity today, we are going to read a story called Barnyard Song. Then I'm going to show you a picture of all these different farm animals, and I want you to pick your very favorite one and draw it, and then you can send me a picture of it, and I will put all of our pictures of all of our animals, all of our favorite farm animals, on a big poster together. And then I will send you a picture of the poster, or we could maybe even print it and I could send it to you, okay? We could make it like a group project. So let's get started reading our story and then we'll work on our pictures. Our story is called Barnyard Song, and it's by Rhonda Gowler Green, illustrated by Robert Bender. Look at the front of the book. Look at all of these different farm animals. I see a horse and a sheep and a turkey and a pig. I think this is a cow. Look, there's a wasp. All of their mouths are open. Do you think they're singing because this book's about the barnyard song? Let's find out. Look at that big red barn. On the farm on the hill on a blustery day, see all the wind? The leaves are flying off the trees. Farmer was humming and storing heaps of hay. The animals were singing all their usual notes, in their usual voices, in their usual throats. Look at the cat. It looks like it's screaming. Buzz, buzz, mew, mew, cock-a-doodle-doo. Oink, oink, ba, ba, moo, moo, moo. Here a bray, there a bray, everywhere a bray. Gobble, gobble, quack, quack, neigh, neigh, neigh. When all of a sudden came a whisper of a sneeze, the sneeze of a bee buzzing on the autumn breeze. Well, that sneeze spun around, and it wasn't very long before the barnyard choir stopped singing their song. No buzz, no mew, no cock-a-doodle-doo, no oink, no ba, no moo, moo, moo. No here a bray, there a bray, everywhere a bray, no gobble, gobble, quack, quack, neigh, neigh, neigh. Farmer called the doctor and the nurse came too, and the three did agree it was the barnyard flu. So for 1 long week, all were put to bed, and the barnyard sounds went like this instead. Buzz chew, mew sniff, cock-a-squawk, la-doo, oink squeal, bawk, moo a-choo. Here a sniffle, there a snuffle, everywhere a sneeze chew. Gobble, screech, quack, honk, wheeze, wheeze, wheeze. Well, Farmer cooked up kettles of savory soup and served it by the bowlful to the barnyard group. From the teeny tiny bee who started it all, to the great big horse in the big brown stall. He's got a hot water bottle on his head and a blankie on him. Not feeling good. Then, early one morning, came a happy humming sound. Bzz, bzz, buzzed bee, flying round and round. Soon all the others gathered with their usual throats, and came out the richest, sweetest barnyard notes. Now bee does buzz and cat says meow. Rooster crows with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Pig says oink, and all the piglets join in. Sheep says baa, let the song begin. Buzz, buzz, mew, mew, cock-a-doodle-doo. Oink, oink, ba, ba, moo, moo, moo. Here a bray, there a bray, everywhere a bray. Gobble, gobble, quack, quack, neigh, neigh, neigh. Now, barnyard song gets sung all day till the circle of sun sinks far away. Animals bed down, sigh and yawn, rest for tomorrow, to sing again at dawn. Isn't that a fun story? And it's a cute little song. So now that we have finished our story, we're gonna take a look at this picture here, okay? I want you to look at all the different animals and some of the animals we talked about just in our story. There's a sheep, a horse, a goat, a chicken, a rooster, pig, duck, dog, cow, chick, mouse, turkey, and a cat. I want you to take a minute and I want you to get a piece of white paper and I want you to draw your very favorite farm animal and then send me a picture of it so I can make a farm poster, okay? I cannot wait to see all of your farm pictures.